Hi there. It's me again, Dr. Williams, the other Dr. Williams. We've created this webinar to give you a clear, honest breakdown of why so many people end up overpaying for dental surgery. Whether it's for you, a friend, or a loved one, we want you to walk away with real insight, not just into the costs, but into the system behind those costs. This information could save you thousands and help you make confident decisions moving forward. Let's jump into the webinar.
So, the question for today is, are you overpaying for dental surgery? Did you know the average Houstonian pays up to $5,200 for either 4 wisdom teeth extractions or a single dental implant with crown? Our affordable option costs just $1,500. This quick webinar is going to guide you and reveal how you and your family and your friends could access top quality, affordable dental surgery without breaking the bank. Let's jump into it. All right, let's understand the true cost of surgery. The average cost for 4 wisdom teeth with IV sedation is going to be $4,800, which is a national average. Conversely, with a single implant, that's going to be $7,200, which is a national average. And as you can see, when you look at what goes into a single implant, there's going to be extraction, bone graft, membrane, a surgical guide, a CT scan, IV sedation, and even a crown. But if you say, you know what, let me just go with the surgery and leave the crown out, it's still going to cost you $4,900 for just that one area. The challenging thing is this: your insurance that you're so attached to is only going to cover typically $1,500, and that's the average annual maximum. Did you know that 62% of patients delay treatment due to high costs? And the reason why is the longer you put off surgery, the more expensive it's going to be. So the question is, why are you being quoted so much? Well, there's 4 typical things that go into that. Number 1, facility overhead. When you go to premium locations, there's going to be an expensive cost of the equipment. And guess what? That's passed on to you. Also, you're going to have supply chain squeezes. With the rising cost of material due to tariffs, those costs are going to be passed on to you, the patient. Well, there's also hidden services. You're typically going to have unnecessary procedures bundled into the treatment plans that the doctors are quoting you. And guess what? When you go to a dental office and the doctor doesn't do these types of surgeries every day, multiple times a day, and it takes them a longer time, just know you're paying for their time. So the longer it takes, the more you have to pay. So let's look at our affordable solution, the Smile After Surgery Way, or the JW method. This is our transparency pricing guide, and it shows you for 4 wisdom teeth, all you pay is just $1,500 versus the industry standard $4,800. A single implant, once again, the same thing, $1,500 versus the industry standard of $4,900. Now, granted, that's without the crown. Now, when you start adding the crowns, our fee is just $1,500, while the industry is still $2,300. And if you decided to go with IV sedation, our fee is just $199 versus the industry's $1,300 per hour. With us, our bone grafted is completed at no extra charge. Now, you're probably wondering, how could you make it so inexpensive? Well, I want to let you know, just because something is inexpensive doesn't mean it doesn't have value. And the reason why is this: we only use top recognized implant brands such as Nobel Biocare, which is the top 5 implant company in the world. And ladies and gentlemen, this is not a sponsored ad. So the JW experience allows you to have low overhead, which is the concierge dental model. It's efficient. We only focus on 3 procedures. No surprises. All your treatment is all inclusive. We buy in bulk, which saves you money, and we have convenient hours for all the professionals out there. I'm an IV sedation provider, which means you could sleep safely while we work, And we have well over 200 5-star Google reviews. And if you look at this picture to my right, you could see that these are the reasons why these wisdom teeth need to come out. That tissue looks to be inflamed, and those teeth seem to have a lot of cavities. And it's pretty hard to clean back there. And if it's hard for you to clean back there, it's definitely gonna be hard for us. Also on this right-hand side, you see an implant, which is this material right here, and the crown, which is this material right here. And guys, I wanna let you know, you don't want to wait and postpone your treatment, because once again, all it's gonna do is get more expensive for you in the end. So, quality care doesn't have to be expensive. We have advanced techniques, which are identical to the methods of the high-priced providers. We have premium materials, medical-grade titanium implants, and equipment. Our overhead is so much lower. Streamline the practice reduces unnecessary costs that would be passed on to you. And lastly, we accept most PPO insurances, and we offer financing options. So, let me address some concerns that you may have. Well, I want to let you know experience matters. That's why I've been able to complete more than 14,000 successful surgical procedures with more than 200 plus Google 5-star reviews. You have number 2, convenient virtual consultations, which means you can get all your questions answered without even leaving work or the presence of your own home. Then if you're fearful, we offer IV sedation for those nervous patients, and you can safely sleep while we work. And lastly, transparent pricing. Whether it's an implant, a crown, or 4 wisdom teeth, all you'll pay is just $1,500. And if you want to sleep, just add $199 and you could sleep while we work. So how do you find the right doctor? Well, here's some essential questions you got to ask. You should ask questions about their experience, their success rates, and what happens when complications arise. And lastly, verify their surgical training and read their reviews. Here's some red flags I always want you to pay attention to. Avoid pressure tactics by the doctor or the office manager or the staff. Avoid unclear pricing. If it doesn't make sense the first or second time, think twice. And the reluctance to discuss their credentials and their experience. And ladies and gentlemen, this is a bonus. If the doctor doesn't make you feel comfortable for whatever reason, just leave. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so take action today. Get a 15-minute consultation on us. This is how it works. You take the first step towards your dream smile and schedule this virtual consultation. It'll be a $45 consult that will be applied to your treatment. So essentially it's free. Number 2, email us a copy of your panoramic x-ray as shown here. Email it to info@jaredwdds.com, or we could request it from your dentist. Number 3, secure your spot for dental treatment, implant placement, or 4 wisdom teeth extractions. And if you act now, the first 100 patients will receive a free 15-minute nutrition coaching and blood work analysis valued at more than $500. Lastly, contact us now at 281-896-0974, scan the QR code, or just click the link down below and secure your consultation today. Thanks for joining me. I hope this opened your eyes and gave you something to think about. Share it with somebody who might need it too. And if you are ready to get a clarity or a second opinion, I'd love to help. Your smile matters, and so does your peace of mind. Once again, I'm Dr. Jared Williams. I want you to book today. Make it a great one.